Challenging situations require smart solutions.
By inventing a completely different way of turning, we took a big milestone to an even more successful direction.
BHDT is a family-run company which has a turnover of 60 million euros and approximately 215 employees. We are producing pipelines, pipes, fittings, valve and spare parts for the petrochemical and chemical industries. We as BHDT are extremely busy for the next 3 years, and due to the fact that even if we make our self-education of our young workers and employees, we are not able to fulfill all the wishes for our clients. And therefore, it's extremely important for us to be very innovative, to have new solutions in the production. That's the reason why we turn to our partner Sandvik Coromant.
Since its introduction in 2017, PrimeTurning has been considered as one of the biggest innovations in the area of turning.
PrimeTurning is a special operation from Sandvik, which is completely different to normal turning operations.
This turning in the opposite direction gives you a lower entering angle, which provides you a higher productivity.
We can reduce the machining time by 30 to 50% because of the very high cutting speed and the large feed rates.
Turning in the opposite direction was in the beginning unfamiliar, but our doubts were very quickly dispelled.
With 4 cutting edges, it offers twice as many as the previous model and even more cost-efficient machining.
The start was a little bit bumpy, but further with a lot of action and input from Sandvik and of course of BHDT together, we came to proper great results.
With the Sandvik Coromant process, we can reduce the risk of accidents for our machining operators because of shorter chips. And the online solution provided by Sandvik Coromant is a very good offer for machining companies which cannot carry out their own systems.
The key to be even more successful is working hand in hand together with our partners and to involve the complete staff of the company.
It was a pleasure for us to implement this new way of turning and to have the support of all involved.
Now we use PrimeTurning on every machine where it's possible.